Hello everyone and welcome to day 4 of my 2-week challenge of uploading a video every single day for the next 2 weeks. So it is raining today and I've only just gotten back from town, so we're heading towards that middle of the day. But do not despair, I still have something really special in order for us today. So I don't need to be in the greenhouse for this with a bit of drizzle, so let's move somewhere slightly more comfortable. It seems like the rain has let up just in time. I'm in my lumberjack outfit, just kidding, but we are actually doing an activity with wood today. So quite some time ago, we received an online delivery that came on a pallet. So I chopped up all the wood for a project that kind of never came to fruition. So today we're going to actually use this wood and build a bird feeder. So the rain's back, we're going to have to move undercover, but I'm done with the sanding. I'm just going to use a dirty old rag and give everything a nice wipe down and then start screwing everything together.
That's even straight. No.
Yeah, it's such a little piece.
It's better on this side. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I mean, these pieces can't be the same length because it's right there but it's wrong there. But this end looks pretty good. Sort of.
I wonder if we just shave a tiny bit off another one.
See, like that's nice on that side. So
But this side's not, so I'm wondering if you do the same, exactly the same on that piece.
Yeah, that's better. This thing's always going to be too long.
But it's here. This piece is not straight. I did a hack job, clearly.
Yeah, but don't you want to cut that piece off so that it's all correct?
Yeah. So we're not following any specific plan or anything. I just found an inspirational picture on Pinterest, I think. This is sort of what it's going to look like. And then we're just going to put a little roof on, but we've just been debating that we think the roof might be a tiny bit small for a rainy day like today, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there.
Let's put the bottom together and then we'll have something solid to screw into. We'll soon find out if our screws are too long, if this sticks to the table. Let's see.
Perfect.
Awesome. Wow.
What?
All that resin's coming out. It's sticky.
Oh, that must have a piece. Does it not feel stable?
It is, it's just...
Oh, but the planks are not
bendy
level.
or loose
Yeah,
or...
they were a bit bendy.
See if we can pull it tight. Side. So if it's bent this way, it will wobble. This is going to be an interesting one to try and get right.
I'm gonna have to come help you.
I just don't have any long clamps.
That one useful.
The torch.
Uh,
So what I'm going to do... Let's just sort of figure out where I want the pallet holes to be. How many screws do you want to put on each end? 3? 2? 3?
one on each side and maybe one in the middle for good measure, if we've got enough.
So,
Let's start with that one.
oh.
Don't you want to start with that one first, because then you get it in and then the plank won't jump or move space, or do you know what I mean?
last second. Okay.
But at least it's not moved. The hole doesn't move. Oh, not that it can move, but you know what I mean.
Sorry?
I said at least the hole doesn't move, and then I realized what I was saying. But you know what I mean. Like if the plank moves, then you've drilled a hole for nothing.
Yeah. Do you really have to show this to the world?
Well, I thought we could just run that before we put the size on. We run it through the thing again.
Then all the measurements will be off.
Exactly, so...
Because look at that. You can see this piece is way higher than the others.
Listen. Don't judge my cutting skills. That machine...
I'm not judging. I'm just pointing out the...
That machine scares me.
Alrighty. This is it. Oh. Like you haven't seen what it looks like from the bottom.
Well, I know, but we knew that because that's why I suggested you put those internal planks right up against the edge because, yeah.
That's ventilation.
Yeah. Rainwater will drip through. Birdseed will drip through. It's all good.
It's not too bad.
See, that's something I would have messed up.
Or you would
I would have gone straight through the other screw.
Straight into the other screw. Or you would have found out as soon as you hit it. Something would have happened. Now we're going to just give this a bit of, what do you say? Aggressive loving.
Yeah.
Consider yourself loved. That actually worked pretty well. Have any come through yet? No.
No, you've done well. I just realized why my planks are skewed. Because they were the original cuts when I broke up the pallet. I didn't use the miter saw, I used the circular saw. And I just cut.
Oh, you just went
wild. When we cut the other day for this project, I totally forgot about that because I'd already made all the measurements.
What's half of 93?
46 and a half.
46 and a half. Just so that I can line it up like this.
Yep.
And get that in the middle.
So what have you decided? 4
in a square. I like symmetry, which you wouldn't guess from the way we brought this. Oh my gosh, I did that so badly because I was looking at it from the side when I did it.
What's wrong with it? Just not symmetrical.
It's like, that's shocking. I was trying to put them in a square. Is it out again?
Potentially. I'm not sure. No, it's hard to do.
It is. That should have been over there, but it's better than the first one. Dropped like a millimeter, maybe. You're IKEA, and I'm the guy at home trying to put it together.
Sure. No, don't say that because people get frustrated with a flat pack.
No, this was a pretty decent flat pack.
It was a bit lost on me there for a second. It actually looks pretty cool. Looks good.
I didn't use my words.
No. Your big people words.
My big people words.
I like it.
End needs to be chopped.
So I absolutely love how the birdhouse turned out. I know I said initially that I was going to not paint it and keep it rustic. I think I said that. I've got some leftover brown fence paint that I'm going to use, so I am going to actually give it a couple of coats. That way it will also protect the wood in the rain. So I get to use my paint sprayer, which I'm really excited about. I've only used this once before, so I think this will give it quite a nice clean finish on the birdhouse, plus also go a lot quicker. Okay, so that was a bit of an epic fail, sort of. Lesson learned, you need to put in quite a bit more into the actual tub. So it was just like spraying and splattering, kind of like it was running out. So I'm just going to put in a little bit more because I want to get this finished today, because I think we are up against the rain. So yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. The birdhouse is finished. It actually came up really nicely, and I actually quite like the brown now. You'll see that we've put it on a base. And this was actually just an old dead tree that Sven has started cutting down. I do still have to go around and stain everything, but it is raining today. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Oh, this weather is really against us. I'll come and update you with its final place and put some birdseed in, and let's see if any birds come and visit us. See you guys tomorrow.